how we make our cooking oil.
Cooking oil?
Yeah, canola.
Canola, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow, it's big. It's a big, big, big. See? That's sa mga nangutanag-unsa ng canola oil, mauna siya. Canola oil, mauna ang canola oil, mauna siya. Yan ang canola oil. See? Yan ang ginagawa nilang canola oil. Yan. Yan. See, yan ang canola oil. So yan. Nagtataka ako dati kung ano yung canola oil. Yan pala yun. See? Ayan pala yun. Oh, is lower hand. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, hang on, huh? Just look.
Okay. Ayan. That's canola oil. Wow. Okay. Okay, okay, yeah. Oh, see? Yan yun. Yan yung canola oil. Meron sila dito plantation ng canola oil. So dito siguro nanggagaling yung canola oil. Nagtataka ako dati ba, ano ba yung canola oil? Merong vegetable oil, merong coconut oil, tapos merong canola oil. Ano yung canola oil? Ito pala yun. Wow, grabe, ang lawak ng nila, taniman ng canola oil. Dito lang yan sa New South Wales, part of New South Wales area.